Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you ready to start Forex trading but have no idea where to begin? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to start Forex trading as a beginner step by step. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just the essentials you need to get started, okay? So make sure to stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more trading content. Now let us get into it. First things first, what is Forex trading? Well, Forex is short for foreign exchange, okay? And it is the global marketplace where currencies are traded 245, that is 24 hours in 5 days, from Mondays to Fridays, okay? Unlike the stock market, which has set trading hours, Forex is open nearly all the time, making it one of the most accessible markets in the world. So you are basically exchanging one currency for another, hoping to profit from price fluctuations. For example, if you want to trade, let's just use two of the most popular currencies. If you want to trade maybe the Euro USD pair, the Euro against the US dollar, you are betting on whether the euro will strengthen or weaken against the US dollar. Okay, now before you can place a trade, you need a broker, right? But not just any broker, you need one that is regulated, reliable, and beginner friendly. So just look for brokers with low spreads, user friendly platforms, and a demo account so you can practice before using real money. Now, there are a whole lot of brokers that are available. Okay, there are many brokers available out there. But if you are confused on what broker to start with, well, you can actually check out our website on the best Forex brokers, and you're going to see a couple of options there. If you also just want to, find out if you just want to find out, many options of brokers that you would like to, select from, then you can also go ahead and check out, our website, the Forex Gate website, and you're going to get um, different options of brokers that you can select from, whether you want to find the forex brokers with low leverage. Of course, you know that there are some brokers that might offer leverages that are higher than others. There are some that might offer spreads that are higher than others, and all of that. So if you want to get extra information, right, about brokers, just check out our website, yeah, and you're going to get adequate information, further information on that. Now, um but before we go further, I just want to remind you that trading requires patience. All right. If you are a beginner, just bear in mind that trading is a game of patience. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. So I just need to put that out there so that you're going to set your expectations right. All right. Now let's just proceed. Some popular brokers actually include MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, C-Trader, and brokers with proprietary trading firms like TradingView Integration, and all of that. So just do your research and choose wisely. Okay. Now let us talk about currency pairs. In Forex, you always trade in pairs, right? You always trade in pairs, one currency against another. Major pairs like the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and USD JPY, they are the most liquid and best for beginners. Okay. Now let's just quickly talk about pips. Let's quickly talk about pips. Yeah. Um, pips. A pip is the smallest price movement in a currency pair. Okay, the smallest price movement in a currency pair is what we call a pip. So, for example, if Euro USD, for example, if Euro USD moves from let's say okay, let's just use a round figure, okay, to make it easier to calculate. Let's say euro USD moves from 1.1 from 1.1 to 1 point from 1.10000 to 1.1001. Okay, or let's just use current price. Let's assume that it's moved from 1 point. Okay, let's just take it very close. 1.0845, 1.08454, and it goes to 1.08450. So from 454 to 450, you can see that it's just a difference of 4 points, right? It's just a difference of 4 points. So one thing for you to know is that 10 points make a pip. So if you want one pip, then it's going to be moving from 1.08454 to 444. Okay, so when it moves to 444, you have a difference of 1 pip. Okay, so that's why we say that it is the smallest price movement in a currency pair. Um there are some representations that use 4 decimal places, yeah, while you will see others with 5 decimal places like what we have here. So when you have 5 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, usually the fifth figure represents the point, while the fourth figure is the one that is representing the pip. Okay, so that is the reason why 1 pip is equal to 10 points. All right. So now, spreads, on the other hand, are the difference between the buying and the selling price. The buying price is called the ask price, while the selling price is called the bid price of a currency pair. So you can see here, this is buy price, this is sell price. You will notice that the buy price is not the same with the sell price. So the difference between the buy price and the sell price is the spread. You can see this is what we call the spread. It's the difference between the buy price and the sell price. Okay, so which is basically how brokers make their money. Now, to execute your trades, you will need a trading platform. Okay, most breakers actually offer MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. These platforms allow you to analyze the market, place trades, and use various indicators. Okay, you can also use TradingView as a very, very, very valuable tool for chart analysis. Okay, and you can actually use other platforms like maybe Forex Factory for news updates. Okay, so getting familiar with all these will give you a solid foundation to start trading. Okay, so you've got information about broker, you understand currency pairs, and now how do you actually trade? So here are two basic strategies that beginners can start with. Yeah, first of all, you can start with trend trading. For trend trading, you simply trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, if the market is moving up, if the market is moving up, you look for buy opportunities. All right. If the market is going down, you look for sell opportunities. Okay. Then another way you can start as a beginner is the use of support and resistance. You just identify key price levels. All right. You identify key price levels on your chart. where the market tends to reverse. These act as buying or selling zones to enter smart trades. Okay. Remember, mastering these strategies takes practice. That's why I always recommend starting with a demo account first. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward beginner's guide to starting Forex trading. Now it's your turn. You can just set up a demo account. Okay. Choose a broker. All right. Set up a demo account, choose a Forex broker, and start practicing. All right. So if you are trading in the direction of the trend, basically, like I said, you look for sell opportunities in the sell trend. So what you just have to do is you connect two highs. When you have, because price always moves in waves. Okay, price moves in waves. Yeah, price moves in waves. You can see it comes down and goes up and comes down. It moves in zigzag movements. Yeah. So when you notice price forming lower highs and lower lows, what we can see happening here, all you have to do is wait for the price to come up and start coming down and then come up again. When you have at least two highs, that's what you use and draw your trend line. Then with the next time that price comes up and touch that high, that trend line is an opportunity to enter a sell because it's a sell trend. All right. Then your stop loss can be set just above the previous swing high. Then for your take profit, you can just target the trend line support. When price drops to the trend line support, you can use that to exit your sell. So this is a very simple strategy to trading in the direction of the trend. Then if you want to also pay attention to support and resistance zones, just make sure you plot your horizontal levels. Identified areas where price has gotten rejected at least 2 times. You can see here, price got here and got rejected. Price got here and got rejected. Price got here, got rejected, came down. Price got here, got rejected. It got here, got rejected. And then that's the reason why I plot this line here. And then when it came down, you see it got rejected here, it got rejected again. That's why this line is serving as a resistance. And then you can see whenever a line has been broken from a resistance, it turns into a support. And when a support has been broken from a support, it turns into a resistance. Okay. So you can see that when this support was broken, it now became a resistance. Price got there and got rejected. And here now, this was a support before, but when it got broken, it turned into a resistance. Okay. So just pay attention to all those because these horizontal levels, support and resistance levels, they are areas where price usually gets rejected. So you can use those areas for setting your, for as reference points. You can use those areas as reference points for your stop losses and take profits. All right. So this is a very easy strategy as a beginner. Then with time, you can keep developing yourself. You can keep learning more about chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and all of that. Okay, there are a whole lot of information that that are available, right? Even in this channel, we have discussed, a lot of things, that can help you as a beginner. We've covered strategies, we've covered indicators, systems, and a whole lot of information. You might just want to check out past videos. You're going to see a lot of information regarding Forex trading, right? So if you are a beginner and you are looking towards starting, you can actually decide to start with, just paying attention to trends, yeah, and just trying to trade in the direction of the trend and observing good risk management. Then with time, just keep on developing yourself, keep on, getting more knowledge and all, and you're going to see improvements. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex tips and strategies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I look forward to giving you responses. Okay. So that is it, guys. I hope you found value in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.